Hi everyone, this is English 4's instructional video for week 21. Your assignment for this week is 8.1 Reading Fiction and Poetry. The learning target is I can identify elements of a short story. All right, we're focusing on short story fundamentals. Important elements of the short story are character, setting, conflict, plot, and theme. So characters are the most important element of a short story. We have the protagonist, which is the main character, who is usually the good guy. The antagonist, which is the character in opposition to the protagonist, usually the villain. Round characters, they have many traits, and then the opposite is a flat character. They don't have a lot of traits to them. Static characters remain the same. They don't go through any changes, and dynamic characters do go through some sort of change. Maybe they were evil and now they're good. The setting is the time and place in which a story occurs. It helps the reader to visualize the characters. Conflict is the struggle between two opposing forces. And there's 4 types of conflicts: man versus man, man versus nature, man versus self, and man versus society. Plot is the sequence of events in a story. And it's the exposition, the rising action, the climax, falling action, and the resolution. Theme is the concept or idea that underlies a story and gives it universal meaning. It's not the same as a moral. It may teach a lesson, but most modern short stories do not. The themes are mostly comments on life. So a theme could be something like war. So it can just be like what it's about. All right, for the explore portion, I'd like you to read through this informative PDF about short story elements, watch this video, and flip through these flashcards, please. So take a few moments to complete these activities. All right, for the explain portion, in a Google Doc, I'd like you to list and define the main elements of a short story. For the evaluate portion, I'd like you to take this quick quiz to see what you learned about the elements of a short story. For the elaborate portion, in your Google Doc that you started earlier, please write a paragraph using at least 3 of the elements. And there's a rubric here on how you will be assessed. And then finally, for the express portion, now that you've worked on learning more about the elements of the short story, how would you rate your progress? So please read through these statements, choose the one that best fits you, and place it in your Google Doc. And then for your reflection in the Google Doc, I'd like you to answer the question, how is knowing the elements of the short story important? All right, I hope you have a wonderful week, and please let me know if you have any questions or concerns about anything. All right, thanks. Bye.